band 2, then again same band 2, band 2, okay. Like this, if I will put, okay. So I have taken here 4 tiles. I have taken here 4 tiles. So you can go for again multiple tiles, no problem. But the one problem what you will see, if you don't mosaic, there will be some gap. There will be some gap or change in color from tile to tile. So mosaicing is required to merge multiple tiles. Wherever you are having multiple tiles, there you have to opt for mosaicing at any cost. Without mosaicing, your calculation will be 90% wrong. You may get results, but when you go for calculation, when you go for some Excel data extraction, you will find that most of your outputs are wrong. So if you are having 100% from Bhuban, you have to download multiple tiles. Without multiple tiles, you cannot complete your entire save file. So now if you see how to do mosaicing, I will go to system toolboxes. I'll go to system toolboxes. There one option is there, raster. In raster, we'll go to raster dataset. Then there one option is there, mosaic to new raster. Mosaic to new raster. But remember one thing, I have taken here only band 2. Okay, then again you will take for band 3. Then again will take for band 4. Do not confuse or do not mosaic multiple bands. Like do not mosaic band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5. No. If you want to do mosaicing, you have to do it for different tiles, multiple tiles of same band. Okay, like this I have taken 4 tiles of band 2. Then again I will take 4 tiles of band 3. Okay, like that only mosaicing is done. Go to mosaic to new raster. There, add all the files. Okay, then give an output location. Let me give, then give a raster data set name, mosaic. Okay, mosaic 1. Already I have given one file name mosaic. Then another important thing that what you need to check here, right click here, go to properties. Okay, there you check the pixel type and pixel depth. Pixel type and pixel depth. It is 16-bit unsigned integer. 16-bit unsigned integer. All will be same. If you see, check 16-bit unsigned integer. Here you have to change it to 16-bit unsigned. Okay, here you have to change it to 16-bit unsigned. Then another important thing what you have to do here, number of bands. Okay, so you have taken here multiple tiles of band 2. Mosaicing means you want to merge these 4 files into a single band. So I have to give here 1. So do not forget all these things. You have to select the multiple tiles. You have to select the output location. You have to give a name. Okay. Then you have to change this pixel type. It is written optional, but it is good if you change according to your band. Okay. Then number of bands you will give 1. Then rest as it is. Click OK and wait for the result. Okay. So now our single file has been generated. If I remove, now you see this is our mosaic file. This is our mosaic file. So like that I will do for band 3. Like that I will do for band 4. Okay, like that I will do for band 5. So it is a homework for you. So you have to download the Bhuban data. Then you have to do mosaic. Then you can right click this, go to data, export data. Okay. Then in D drive, right here mosaic band 2. Mosaic band 2. Save. Do you want to map layer? No. Leave. Okay. So now the mosaicing part is done. I'm again telling, go to system toolbox, data management tool. There you go to raster. In raster, go to raster dataset. Then there you go to mosaic to new raster. Add all the files. Okay. Then give a output location. Then give a name. Okay. Then change the pixel type according to your band. Then give the number of bands as 1. Then click OK. This is the only process to do mosaicing.